Explore the beauty in every detail as we uncover the wonders of creativity and the craftsmanship behind timeless masterpieces. Join us in this inspiring journey today. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Quick reflexes can sometimes be the key to staying safe in unexpected situations. A moment of carelessness caused a tree to fall, damaging the second warehouse. Exercise caution when working on tree cutting. Paying for skilled workers is always better than paying for home repairs. Looks like he's a big fan of Spider-Man and might have watched it a bit too much. To funny men each doing their own thing. Pay fairly for the tree workers near your home, because you never know what might happen after the tree falls. 1, 2, 3. Can you count how many windows got smashed? Why didn't he use the ropes when it was clear the tree was leaning? This is a game no one would want to play again, right? He worked on cutting trees that survived the fire, which fortunately still retained value. Oh, I can't believe how heavy it is. The tree just scared him, but he didn't think so. Looks like its final wish was to hug a red car. It's been part of the house for 30 years and still doesn't want to let go. Incorrectly choosing the direction for the tree to fall can lead to unforeseen consequences. Never stand near a falling tree. Being cautious can save your life. It's not always easy, even with the help of modern machinery.
Oh, shit.
The young man was unlucky to be hit by a falling branch, but fortunately, he only suffered minor scratches. With years of tree cutting experience, he did not let us DOWN.
Ibito Thelinin ốc chỉ bị the lôn, si tin ô phất xết, hè đi xa đít to cắt ít đồn, dì là xin ít tốt ảnh và tiền sân, đền gờ to tàu xin đi ba.
I'm sure he has good skills, but definitely not tree cutting skills right. With advanced technology, the work becomes more practical and quicker, but I still prefer watching brave men wielding chainsaws. Cutting trees in densely populated areas, comes with significant risks. Even a small mistake can lead to serious consequences. The first step in tree cutting is a thorough assessment of the tree's height, trunk diameter, natural lean, and most importantly, the safe distance from nearby structures. There's nothing more challenging than relocating a massive tree next to a house. Every wrong move can lead to serious consequences. To get the job done, you need absolute professionalism and precision in assessing the tree's height, trunk diameter, natural lean. Using a crane, a man cuts a tall tree into parts safely. Cutting down a tree earns a small wage, but now he has to pay for the roof repair.
Whoa! Oops. Oh, man.
Its long, sharp blade glides seamlessly through thick logs, cutting quickly and effortlessly. Every cut showcases the seamless blend of human skill and engineering precision, making tough tasks feel effortless and smooth. This revolutionary tool completely transforms how we perceive wood cutting. The Mi Board SDH chainsaw line is an innovative solution for the wood processing sector, capable of cutting logs up to 450 millimeters in diameter and delivering 150 to 300 cubic meters. In an 8-hour shift, the system features the SDH D400 circular saw. The 500 grapple is a beast powerful, precise and built for these exact conditions. Watch how it effortlessly maneuvers through the muck, grabbing those logs with an unwavering grip. This is precision logging at its finest. These aren't just any spruce logs, folks. These are instrument grade, carefully selected for their outstanding qualities. Each log must be over 60 centimeters in diameter, sourced from altitudes exceeding 1,000 meters, and perfectly straight with no knots or blemishes. Once harvested, they're transported to the workshop, carefully sectioned, and then air-dried for months to achieve optimal tonal characteristics. Ever wondered how a sawmill operates? Well, today's your lucky day. We're gonna delve deep into the fascinating process of transforming raw timber into sleek, usable lumber. Get ready for a behind-the-scenes look you won't forget. Check out this amazing homemade mini chainsaw mill. Who knew you could craft something so useful with just wood? I'm itching to give this a try. Anyone else feeling crafty? Mr. Wands, a seasoned wood hauler, is renowned for his ATV driving skills. Across treacherous terrain, one day, while towing a massive log, he navigated steep, uneven roads with ease, thanks to his expertise and years of practice. For years, this stubborn stump resisted the elements, but today, it faced the mighty Oliver 1650 and Kaiser 6x6. The ground shook, roots screamed, and then, victory, man and machine triumphed, a sight to behold. Unbelievable precision machining of natural materials, like rock and stone, so using it on a stump is like bringing a bazooka to a knife fight. Can you imagine the sheer terror of tons of timber? Running wild, it's like a scene from a nightmare. An innovation from Japan is the fastest twin band saw in the industry. With pre-log registration features, It automates cutting. NTB provides a game-changing solution for automation, streamlining labor and boosting efficiency. Grab your gear. We're about to see some skilled lumberjacks in action, expertly maneuvering massive trees, executing precise cuts with sheer expertise, armed only with courage and precision. A truly breathtaking spectacle. The CBI Stump Planer isn't just a tool, it's a stump-destroying monster with 3 hardened steel cutters that slice through wood like butter. Its replaceable pilot keeps you on target, and auger extensions tackle depruded stumps with effortless precision. Combine it with the CBI auger. Drive on your skid steer and watch stumps disappear into fine sawdust. When the fire threatens to engulf an entire lush forest, cutting down trees becomes a dire necessity. Massive tools like chainsaws and bulldozers, with immense capabilities, join the battle against the raging blaze. In 2016, Yarder logging operations in southwest Washington, showcasing a Thunderbird CSY610 hauling cables and removing logs from the forest. Modern machinery takes the lead in this work, pulling large logs from the forest through challenging paths with ease, powered by cutting-edge technology. The C63 harvester head is a beast in the woods, effortlessly handling massive trees with unmatched precision. Its advanced engineering and rugged build make it a true champion, turning tough jobs into seamless operations. Watch the C63 in action and experience forestry at its finest. The Wallenstein WP820 reigns as the ultimate wood splitter, transforming firewood processing into pure efficiency. Combining raw power with scientific precision, the WP820 pulverizes logs into uniform firewood. In mere moments, it's remarkable to imagine that this colossal log was once a tender sapling, now repurposed into a sustainable resource, destined to become durable, practical creations. This tree has witnessed centuries of growth and carries a legacy within its rings. The LX55 portable sawmill isn't just a tool, it's your ticket to precision lumber, American-made and built to last. This sawmill is perfect for turning your woodworking dreams into reality. Smooth operation, accurate cuts, and a price that won't break the bank. What's not to love? The Husqvarna 572 XP shines with advanced engine performance and control, while the Stihl Ms. 4.6-C impresses with steady power and rapid woodcutting capabilities. Despite only 4 months of experience, I'm prepared to face major challenges in handling massive logs, a task not everyone can master. Using a specialized 50 horsepower saw, I confidently slice through trunks up to 80 centimeters thick, quickly and with precision. John Deere 1110E, more like John Deere asterisk, can do anything asterisk. Seriously though, this machine is a superhero on steep slopes, in vintage style. The Foley Belsaw A14 circular sawmill. Talk about old school craftsmanship. It harks back to a time when everything was handmade. Imagine watching it turn massive trees into planks for building homes. A tree struck by lightning falls, causing significant damage. A man cuts a tree in the forest, making it fall safely. A tree near a house falls onto a garage, causing damage. This is a fast and efficient tree cutting technique. The tree falls in the blink of an eye. Never operate machinery under the influence. Safety must always come first. Carefully guiding the tree to fall in the right direction prevents potential damage. A strong wind caused the old tree to fall, witnessed by a group of people. The work of clearing green spaces in residential areas is being carried out urgently. Nature always holds unexpected dangers, as seen in the storm. Things can go beyond expectations, like this car facing an unfortunate fall. Cutting trees on a hillside requires advanced techniques and seamless teamwork. A small mistake can lead to major damage. Always be cautious with every saw cut. Tree cutting at heights always poses significant risks, requiring high precision. Modern machinery makes it easier to resolve difficult situations. Great reflexes saved him once, but never be complacent with such dangerous work. It was exhausted and fell after being affected by Hurricane Milton. Looks like someone forgot the golden rule, yell timber. Oh my, maybe it just wants to return to where it belongs. This is why you always wear PPE. I feel like some people using chainsaws don't fully understand the severity of them. Would you trust these people to cut down a tree in your backyard? Too dangerous. This job isn't for those relying on luck. Nature really knows how to play tricks. Prepare all safety equipment. Observe and choose the correct posture to work. That's one of his golden rules to follow. Giving it their all to cut down the damaged trees and complete the task, utilizing the impressively powerful Husky 21 saw. It's not just skill, but also perfect calculation to make sure both trees fall in the safe direction. Truly impressive. My heart stopped for a second. He might have used up all his luck for this month. Too fast, too dangerous. And he was incredibly lucky. There are always surprises in this line of work. It requires quick reflexes and proper safety gear. Aren't strong enough to bring down the house, but be careful if you encounter those tall, strong guys. Wow, what makes them confident enough to do this dangerous job without experts? Thankfully, everyone is safe. A scenario that is both practical and challenging. The task of relocating a large tree in a residential area is incredibly difficult. The heavy trunk poses a significant risk of, oh my, it's a heart stopper. Luckily, the tree top only fell gently. Otherwise, it would have been way too dangerous. Can you imagine a logger from the 1920s watching this video and having his mind blown? With this level of precision, it seems he hasn't reached the level of a highly skilled expert yet. He dedicated time and effort to teach his younger brother how to cut trees more effectively, ensuring he could perform the task both safely and competently. All right. The perfect coordination with the Ford F-150 helped them complete the task more efficiently. When the tree falls, this ASMR sound is always captivated. It's a blend of both gentleness and power. Holy goodbye to the fence. Felled a massive tree with a powerful chainsaw. But as the tree collapsed, he couldn't help but feel remorseful, noticing the hollow trunk within. A warrior in the green forest is battling a giant. Taking down a massive tree is not as simple as it may seem. It requires the lumberjack to have knowledge, skills, and strength. These skills must be honed and executed with high precision. Even a small mistake can lead to unforeseen accidents. No amount of money can ever truly compensate for the bravery of these warriors. They work driven by passion. Due to poor calculation, the tree fell onto the roof. Luckily, there were nitrogen monoxide injuries.
Here goes, and it's going the wrong way. Oh my gosh!
Miscalculations can lead to extensive damages. Point 1. 005 to 45,000. 006 to 35,000. The narrow space is a major challenge when cutting trees, but skillfulness ensured the job was done safely. A fascinating yet dangerous scene. Luckily, the dog was unharmed.
I don't know if I got it.
Maneuvering a logging truck longer than a school bus, around a tight bend on a steep, muddy incline. That's not just driving, that's precision artistry. These drivers are masters of their machines, showcasing incredible skill and unwavering focus in the face of challenging terrain. Wow, this sawmill, while compact, is remarkably efficient. Observe the precision of the blade and the smooth operation of the log carriage. A testament to thoughtful engineering and quality craftsmanship. It's truly captivating to witness. This is why you should always stay alert when a tree is about to fall. A split second of hesitation, and disaster strikes immediately. Even though he saw the risk, he stubbornly stuck to his plan. No adjustments, no alternatives. He cuts the branch. Wham! It swings back and pins him down. And to make things worse, his lanyard snags on the harness buckle. Talk about adding insult to injury. No wonder he panicked. See that other line? If you want, we can just leave it. Just tie it off, you know? A nostalgic image of the past. Crosscut saws like these are now rare relics. remembered fondly by those who used them. These cedar trees are giants, but today they meet their match. This lumberjack's skill and experience are unmatched. Watch as he fells these behemoths with surgical precision. It's like a graceful ballet of power and control. You won't believe your eyes when these giants come crashing down. To this day, I'm still puzzled why the tree base was burning and why he cut it while it was on fire. Does anyone know? Please drop a comment and explain it to me. I'd really appreciate the help. The wood saw mounted on Excavator's project has sparked a revolution in the forestry sector. With immense hydraulic strength, hydraulic saws function like giant blades, effortlessly slicing through the hardest logs, weighing up to 7,000 kilograms in just minutes. Can you believe this? The LKT81 is hauling a staggering 20 cubic meters of timber. That's no typo, folks. It's 3 times the usual capacity. This machine is a true powerhouse, built for durability and high performance. So what do you think? Is the LKT81 the ultimate workhorse? With razor-sharp steel teeth and a robust motor, the Morbark 5048 XL shreds large tree trunks in seconds. Its roar harmonizes with the crash of trees, forming a symphony of raw power, echoing through the forest. Wow, that was absolutely terrifying. I've never seen anything like it before. Oh, the marvels of cedar, nature's gift of warmth and incredible durability. Join us on an enchanting journey inside a Japanese woodworking factory and witness the magic of crafting with this stunning wood. The bumpy road played a cruel joke on the truck, causing it to lose a wheel. A heart-stopping moment, but thankfully, the driver walked away with only minor injuries. Lady Luck was definitely on his side. Cutting down trees is not a DIY project. It's dangerous. Luckily, no one was hurt this time. Heavy hauling is not for the faint-hearted. It demands experience and precision. These experts balance raw power with fine-tuned control, ensuring every load reaches its destination safely. I'm absolutely amazed by the Komatsu 931. It tackles slopes effortlessly and makes timber harvesting look like a casual stroll. Who else thinks this machine deserves more recognition? Ever seen a giant tree fall? You're about too armed with a Husqvarna 390 XPG, a still 36-inch bar, and a skilled operator. This is set to be an unforgettable spectacle. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be epic. Whoa, when the Welta W1 to 30 and Tesla to 5RH to team up. It's not just a machine, it's magic. It's a symphony of power and unmatched precision. Forget productivity, it's hitting the stratosphere. And the operator, they're probably celebrating with a victory dance as we speak. Oh, help. These monster trucks never fail to amaze us, don't they, everyone? Their sheer size and length are truly impressive. Hold on to your hats, everyone. We're about to see jaw-dropping lumberjacking feats in action. These fearless tree fellers in Asia are rewriting the rules. No safety gear, no harnesses, just bare feet climbing towering trees and cutting them down with a single saw. Can you believe your eyes? This Galician pine sawmill demonstrates remarkable efficiency in initial wood transformation, high-speed cutting and seamless log handling, reduced downtime, maximizing productivity. A prime example of streamlined operations. Introducing the HSM405H, a high-performance harvester. Operations with unparalleled power and stability. The HSM405H is perfect for mechanized logging and more. Priced at around $440,000, it's an investment. Wow, that was a close call. I thought those giants were about to topple. Glad it turned out okay. The Magnum LT Linear Carriage 1 is a staple in wood processing factories, perfect for cutting and processing large logs. With its robust design and efficient operation, this dual-blade bandsaw makes quick work of any log. Its speed is truly astonishing. Can you believe it? This lumberjack just took down to massive trees. In no time flat, it looks so effortless. Of dense forest terrain, in the realm of forestry machinery, one standout innovation is the Komatsu C78 Farah Bansha Saras, a compact excavator, engineered specifically to endure the harsh demands. Its compact dimensions 18.4 feet in length, 7.5 feet in width, and 8.2 feet in height, to navigate narrow, uneven forest trails with ease. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. Your support truly means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our future content. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to bringing you even more exciting videos. See you next time.